Beauty Forever Hair said we are closing out 2025. What a bang. Great, great, great. We got HG lacing and Bizza knots. Top that. Today's video is brought to you by Beauty Forever. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also still Wigmas, so make sure you guys are checking the pinned comment down below, as well as grabbing that drink for Sip and Slay. Listen, party time. Okay, your girl got hot cocoa today because it's a little chilly, but that's okay. Okay, because you know, this hair is keeping me warm. Bundle me up. But anyway, if y'all want to see how I got this very affordable HD lace unit styled up like this, HD. Ciao. Plus see a couple outfits that I put together to, you know, complement my hair. Make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. I think they finally got it right. Let me tint my lace. Let me get my powder. That looks real nice up in here. And it did. When I parted that hair and I was like, oh, that's a parting space. I like that a lot. And y'all see how those edges like blend in with that hair? This is after the wash. I let it air dry. It looks great. The lace is right there. Y'all see it lifting? But then bring it down. Y'all see that blend? Wow. Let me scooch down a little bit. Do my hairline real quick. So I'm gonna take my Nairobi mousse. Everybody. Do y'all see this hair? Are we seeing the curl definition? That looks great. And look at the hairline, the edges, the HD lace. No glue. No glue. Beauty Forever Hair said we are closing out 2025. What a bang. We got HD lacing and Bizza knots. Top that. No complaints whatsoever about this unit, y'all. It fluffed out perfectly, and the more I wear her, the fluffier she will get, and she will hold the shape a lot better. I like my curly wigs to look lived in with some definition, and this is going to give me the definition, as you can see. Wow. We gotta figure out an outfit. What we gonna wear? I mean, I'm really liking this burgundy. This is really cute. We're either gonna do comfy or we're gonna do dressed up. We haven't decided yet. Just change out the accessories and you can still rock the same hair and it will look different based on what you're wearing. I don't got my rings on. Uh-oh. What vibe are you feeling? Where should I go with the look? Tell me down below. The funds are gone, so we need something a little bit more affordable. And I think this one is right up that man's wallet. Beauty Forever. Fast fashion wear. Beauty Forever say what? BF. Be for real. Oh. You're not gonna keep calling me fast fashion when we come in like this. I gotta pop in here really quick to show y'all the hair after I've worn it for a couple hours. I'm vlogging right now, so y'all gonna see this hair in my vlog too. But y'all see how this looks? Even fluffier. It looks great. Great, great, great. Hairline looks good. Yep. Amazing. Fantastic.
Sensational.
All of it. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it.